Hello guys, my name is Atul Devkar and our today topic is access and non-access modifiers in Java. Java provides a rich of a state of modifiers. They are used to control access mechanism and also provide information about a class functions to Java. They are divided into two categories mainly. First is the access modifiers and second is the non-access modifiers. Access modifiers. Access modifiers is a Java's access the modifiers and are public, private, and the protected. Java also define a default access modifier level called package in a private. So first is public. Public when a member of a class is a modifier of public, they are a member of to be accessible by the another code of that class. Next is a default. It is also referred to a non-modifier whenever we do not use of any access modifier. It is rated as a default. And also it is known as class of package, but when we package different, so nowadays subclasses of non-classes we are not enabled to access. Next is protected. With the above default keyword we are facing an issue with the getting closer to the real world with the above default, so we are not able to access the class from the different package. So protected access modifier allowed only the access class by only the access character it be. So APA inheritance is required for the understanding the implementation of the keywords. So type of access modifiers. You can now understand. You can now understand main has always been predicted by the public modifier. It is called by a code that outside of the program. This is by the Java type system where access modifier is used to be a default member of Java class. This is a public within its own package. So example of the access modifier is a class CFG public static void main string array args in bracket code and bracket close. So next is the non-access modifiers. In Java we have 7 non-access modifiers. They are used to class methods, variable construction, etc. It's a provide information about their behavior to Java, and it is first is a static, second is a final, abstract, synchronized, transient, volatile, native. This article is contributed to for the mail of the article, and this information is topic discuss is the topic discuss about. So topic is discuss about non-access modifiers. So thank you.